Hi, I'm Justin Crossfox, branch head of the Great Neck Library Station branch, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the services that we're offering now at the Great Neck Library Station branch for you. The station branch is open for patrons by appointment from 10 a.m. through 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Your appointments can be a 30-minute computer appointment, 15 minutes speaking with a librarian about books that you would like to check out, 15 minutes to speak with a circulation department member about your library card, or 15 minutes on our copiers or scanners. If you have reserved an item for curbside pickup, the item will be on the second floor right in front of the doors of the station branch, under a sign that says Pick Up Hold Here. The items will be checked out to you under your last name. While the station branch is not yet open for browsing in the stacks, we have created window displays in which you can browse any of the items in the windows and we can check them out to you. Simply knock on the door while you're here and we will check any of these items or any other item that we can get for you out. The station branch has 4 distanced computers for the public and our patronage to use. Each computer is disinfected after each usage by a patron. Each keyboard has a disposable plastic cover that is used once so that each patron has a clean experience. There is also hand sanitizer as you enter our computer area. Our copy machine and digital scanner are available for use. After each use, the machines are sanitized and ready for the next patron. Hi, can I help you?
Hi, I'm wondering if I can use the computer.
Sure, let me just make sure I have an appointment. Hold on one moment, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Great, so I do have an appointment, so if you want to come on in, it's 30 minutes and I'll walk you right to the computer.
Thank you.